Hey, this is Mrs. Wright. I teach math this year and 1 hour of social studies to my homeroom. I'm excited for everybody to get in here and try to get this school year off to a great start. Don't forget your masks.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Kirchoff. I'm going to be your 6th grade science teacher. I can't wait to see you guys and get our school year started.
Hello, future 6th graders. I'm Miss Fowler, and I teach 4 classes of science and 1 class of social studies. This year in 6th grade, you will learn about geologic history of Earth, a little bit about pollution, and in social studies, we'll be talking about ancient civilizations. I hope to see you soon, and don't forget your mask.
Hi, I'm Miss Wandell. I teach 6th grade reading in ELA, and I'm so excited to see you guys and get back in school. My favorite thing I did over the summer was travel with my kids. Even though we had to stay local, we still got to travel a little, and that is my favorite thing to do. Can't wait to see you. Bye.
Hi, I am Mrs. Madrid, and I will be teaching 6th grade ELA. I absolutely love to read, so I am super excited to be teaching this class.
Graders, I'm Mrs. Rogers, and I will be teaching ELA and social studies. And I have been spending lots of time this summer riding my side-by-side with my husband. I really love to ride around in the country. So I am so excited to see you guys soon, and we're gonna have a great year.
Good morning, 6th grade. I'm so excited to see you guys soon. My name is Miss Thompson, and I am a math teacher, so most of you guys will see me. I'm really excited to see you guys. A fun fact about me is I have 3 wonderful children, and they pretty much consume my life. So I hope to see you guys really soon. See ya.
Hey Beaker 6th graders, my name is Mrs. Wilkinson. I teach ELA and reading, and I'll be teaching my homeroom, also social studies. I'm really excited to meet you all. I can't wait for you to get here. This summer was really kind of packed with just doing activities around the house, and one fun fact about me is I love to play golf. Have a great rest of your time, and I can't wait to meet you.